Si Maayong Buntag.
Good morning.
Who are you?
I'm Georgie.
How old are you?
I do
What is your name? See, my name is
Georgie.
Georgie.
Open.
Robin.
Tap.
How about you, mommy?
Mommy. That's a couch.
Very good.
I watching movie. That's
Bleep.
my office.
Is this your office?
Yes.
Okay.
I do my work.
You do your work.
I do my work on my computer.
So if this is your office, where is your computer?
Of here.
Where? That's your computer.
No, that's my computer.
I think that's mommy's computer.
No, what's it?
Huh?
It's a picture up here.
No, that's mommy. You only borrow. Oh, I thought you're gonna do some work.
Sorry, Mommy.
It's okay. We can move this one. So
It's
you
like
have-
Daddy do
Yeah,
office. Daddy do office. And my office
So this is Georgie's office. And where is Daddy's office?
is too far away.
Too far away.
This Daddy time my office.
Mommy can't understand what you're saying.
Hi, my office.
Daddy trying your office?
Yes. Look, red box. Red box.
Red what?
Red box.
Red box.
No red box.
Red spot.
Yes.
Slang kaayo. What is it? Red spot?
Yes.
Say it. Spot.
What?
Spot.
What? Yes, wear my dress like Mommy's sock.
You gonna wear a glass like Mommy Shark?
No.
Where is your glass then?
On my pink. Oh, there.
In your pink bag?
No.
Oh, you sit down properly na unsa.
No. I'm funny now.
See, now you're stuck. You cannot get out.
Yes, I can.
Now show me how you can get out. See, you're
Mommy.
stuck because you're fat.
I turned it out. I put my egg. I'm out now.
You're out now. Oi, how can you finish coloring if you keep watching Blippi? Switch off the computer, please. Come on, stop the computer.
I can watch. I'm busy, Mommy.
You're busy.
That's Mommy Pig. That's George's pig.
Is that Peppa Pig's balloon?
Yes.
Okay. What color of your balloon?
Red.
Red balloon. Red balloon.
I dropped it.
Nana, can you sing the big balloon?
No. I'm busy tying red balloon.
Red balloon. Red balloon. Georgie draw red balloon flying high in the sky.
Rainbow.
What's that sound, Georgie?
I miss it. It's rainbow.
Did you too?
No, it's rainbow.
Okay, make a rainbow.
Oi.
Sit down, sit down.
Oh no.
Is this dirty now? Is this dirty now?
Yes.
Can I have a look?
Higher.
Sit down, sit down. It's okay, we can wash Mimi later or tomorrow. I love you all.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
You have a good day.
Have a good day.